What's happening to the PSEI? Why did it not go up after there was a lot of bullish moves last week after the investment rating upgrade? Those are all good news. Those are all good information. Those are all things that will create a positive sentiment to the market. But why isn't the market going up? If you want to know more, check this video out. Guys, so the market dropped and continued to go down after hitting the 8,000 level, even if there was good news, primarily because I've been saying this over and over and over. There's still a resistance at 8,100. We still have not broken past the 8,100 resistance. Every time we hit 8.1, there will be selling still. It just shows us that the S&P upgrade, as of this point in time, as of this video, wasn't strong enough to give us a strong boost to break the markets higher. As long as we don't break out 8.1, you have to understand this. Good news or bad news, regardless of what news is there, the technicals will trump everything because everything you need to know is found in the charts. And that's why I can trade the markets even if I'm here right now, even if I'm at the mountain, even if I'm at a different time zone, even if I'm not trading in Philippine time, I could still analyze, I could still win, I could still trade the markets because I just look at everything from the condition of what technical analysis is saying. And technical analysis is saying to us that the market is still sideways. You have a support at 7.5, you have a smaller support at 7.8, and you have the large resistance at 8,100. So, and I've been saying this for the past months already, we can expect the market to just continue. We can expect the market to just be like that up until we see a shift, up until we see that change and reverse, up until we see the market break out of 8,100. So what's very, very important if you are trading the markets is look at the 8,100 range. Every time it goes there, if volume is not increasing, if there's no surge of buying happening and a breakout does not happen, you cannot expect the market to go up. That will always be your sell signal. And a narrative also, if you would like to analyze it more, is this. Number one, at 8,100, Ali is down, SM Prime is down. Those have big weights in the PSEI. So what do I mean by this? If Ali and SM Prime is down and uh, they have big weights in the PSEI, we cannot expect the market to go higher. So why am I saying this? For us to break out of 8.1, let's continue to watch out for Ali staying above 47, SM Prime staying above 41, and hopefully BDO, AC, and SM will pick up the pace also and just have more buying movements upward. So that's it. The trend as of this point in time, we're still sideways. The trend as of this point in time, nothing is shifting, nothing is moving as per the trend. The trend is still in a sideways moving market. For those who are following the market, since we are close to the resistance, still no buy signal anymore. For those who have stocks that are moving on a different fashion as to where the index is, keep on holding those stocks. For those individual stocks that are still in uptrends, that still haven't reversed, that are still continuing their breakout, or for those that are not yet at the resistance levels. So that's it. That's why you can't really expect the market to move fast or go any higher as long as it's in its sideways pattern. I'll keep on updating you throughout this trip. Next week I'll be in Singapore. So for those who'd like to join us for Singapore and Manila Stock Smart sessions, I'll put the link below, and join us for Investment Conference 2019, the largest conference in the Philippines talking about investment. So I guess that's it. Keep on investing, keep on trading. Another thing pala, for those who are, I guess, investors, those who are buying FMETF, those who are buying indices, you can use this time, no, while it's sideways. Every time it goes much much lower, you can use that as an opportunity for you to accumulate. So a sideways market will work for people who want to accumulate and just buy more, so that later on when it breaks out and the market goes higher, you're already heavily positioned. Please remember this: if you're buying the index always will go down, but after it going down, it will always go up higher. and it will proceed higher than where it was before. And that's just a technique. So for those who are trading, just follow the sideways motion, buy and support, sell at resistance. For those who are investing, accumulate at this point in time. So that's it for now. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.